You don't have enough. Okay, there you go. Thank you.
Lorelei is going to be 17 months old on in a week, which will be Friday, October 1st. And today it was extremely hot at home, so we drove up to the mountains to Lake Arrowhead. And we're having a nice cool afternoon. And she's been enjoying watching the ducks in the water. What was that?
Was that a duck?
Was that a duck? What's on your mouth? She's eating these little apple crisps that are dehydrated apples. Oh, pears. Those are pears. She's trying to feed the ducks. Uh-oh, here comes security. They're coming to get you, Lorelei, because you were feeding them pears. Security just left. She says bye-bye. You got pear all over your mouth.
Want to get down again? No, there's no vehicle.
Lorelei, where are you going?
She's cruising around.
Yeah.
She's so cute.
Thank you. We know. We know she's cute. We special ordered her. We paid an extra $50. Lorelei, where are you going? Daddy's behind her, don't worry.
My cramping is style.
She wants to get down. If you turn around, you can walk down, Lorelei, instead of crawling down.
Give me a hand.
Whoa. Uh-oh.
There she goes.
You okay? You're okay.
She's alright. She's just shocked.
Yeah, she's alright.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, let's go! Where are the birds? Look at the birds, Lorelei.
You're going to go do that
She's
again?
going to try it again.
After what just happened?
She didn't master it the first time, so. Her diaper's wet already.
Hi. Cramping your style again.
Yay! Come on, let's go look at the ducks. Let's look at the ducks. Come on.
Down here.
Come on.
Want to feed the duck?
Here she comes. Come on. She's gonna go up the stairs. Forget it's dead. Woo! Lorelei, did you hear that? Daddy's feeding the ducks. She's trying to catch the birds now. Okay, are we done?
Yeah, what?
You go up the stairs again? Okay, I'm turning it off.